everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about pineapple, and I have some suggested flavor or food combinations that are known to work well with pineapple. So if you are looking for something different to do, some ideas using pineapple, hopefully this will help you out. Combine pineapple with apples, brown sugar, ginger, orange juice, and soy sauce. That's an interesting combo. How about pineapple with bananas and brown sugar? Pineapples with brown sugar, honey, rum, and vanilla. That sounds delicious. Pineapple with brown sugar and lime. Pineapple with chilies, cilantro, garlic, lime, and red onions. Pineapple with cilantro and lime. Pineapple with coconut and brown sugar. Pineapple with coconut, ginger, and rum. Pineapple with coconut, passion fruit, and white chocolate. Pineapple with coconut and yogurt. Pineapple with ginger and maple syrup. Pineapple with honey, mint, and yogurt. And pineapple with peanuts and sweet potatoes. That's interesting. I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.